Alright guys, so I just posted one of my last videos. It was over this formula that I have over here on the right, or y'all's left. So I'm going to work one more problem, except I'm going to work it really quickly, kind of that way you guys can see how it's done. So we have 12 micrograms per kilogram per minute. Our concentration is 400 milligrams in a 250 bag. So I'm going to do 400 divided by 250, and then it's going to equal 1.6 milligrams because I have 400 milligrams, which equals 1,600 micrograms. Now, so that is my concentration. My desired dose, I got to get my micrograms per kilogram. So now I'm going to divide 99 pounds. So 99 divided by 2.2, that's going to equal 45. So 2.2 equals 45 kilograms. So now what we got is we're going to be working off of our milliliters to be given, or our desired dose still. So we need to so what we have is we have our desired dose micrograms per kilogram, so we're going to be doing 12 times 45. So we have 12 times 45, so 12 micrograms. And that is going to equal 540 micrograms. That's 540 micrograms per minute. Okay? So now what I do is I have to take my desired dose, which is 540 micrograms. I divide that by my dose in hand, which is 1,600. So we're going to be looking at 540 divided by 1,600. And that is going to equal 0.3375. 0.3375. We're going to just say 0.33, or I'm sorry, 0.34. So we can say 0.34. And this is the milliliters per minute that we're going to be given. So we're essentially giving a third of a milliliter every single minute at this point. Now, our next thing is, so we have our milliliters to be given. Our next step, final step, we multiply our milliliters by our drip set. Multiply our milliliters by our drip set. So 0.34, that's our milliliters. So I'm going to go 0.34 times 60. We're always working with the 60 drip set, and that is going to equal 0.34 times 60. And that is going to equal 20.4 drops per minute. So we can say 20 drops per minute is what we're going to be working with. So I'm allowing 1 drop out of my drip chamber every 3 seconds. And this is how you do med math.
Again, my name is Jeremy, and if you like this video, please consider liking it, subscribing to the channel, or even leaving a comment down below. You can also always join our Discord community for a more interactive learning experience. Something we are doing is we are giving the first 300 people to sign up on the paid portion of our website 50% off of their first subscription, and you'll be able to see details for that down below. If you are a school or an instructor who's wanting to partner up with MedEdPrep, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at jeremy@mededprep.com, and you will see that link down below as well. I'll see you in the next video.